no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is from Outre, and her name is Karmina. She is 20 inches, and I got her in the color DR4 Copper Gold. Everything about this wig, including her specs, will be in my description box below, so make sure y'all are checking that out. So let's talk about this hairline. So obviously you guys do see that this hairline, yes, it's plucked, but it isn't plucked like it normally would be. It isn't plucked as much as I would have liked, so I did go in and plucked her some more. Again, I didn't excessively pluck her, but I plucked her enough where, you know, you can see some space within the hairline. Big difference, right? So this texture is very kinky. I believe I could classify it as a yaki texture. She gives me, if you've ever picked up the Nisha unit, she gives me Nisha. At first, I was kind of turned off by it a little bit before I got the packaging. I seen what the wig would have looked like. I believe I went on Outre's YouTube and I looked at how it looked on the model. Very beautiful. But I was kind of like, is this going to be too thick? Is this going to be too kinky for me? Because my head is small. I'm a small girl. So big hair, thick hair like that can be very overwhelming for my head. So I was kind of like, is this going to be too big? But I was pleasantly surprised that this flattered my head shape. So for my small head girls, this is a cute unit to pick up as well. So the reviews that I seen on Karmina before I actually did my review was from Courtney and then also my girl KharizmasWorld. Baby, when I tell you they put them on, they put them wigs on, okay? They ate. I will have their information and their review on Karmina down in my description box below. So make sure y'all go check them out. Y'all go support. Y'all go subscribe. Y'all go like on their video and everything, because they are literally the reason why I felt a little bit more confident putting this wig on. This is how I am feeling about Miss Karmina. Karmina's texture is very soft, very beautiful, very textured and kinky. So if you do like textured wigs like Anisha wig, this is perfect for you. Perfect for you. The color was beautiful. The lace was lacing, okay? The lace was blending, okay? Blending on my skin, y'all. The only critique that I will have about this wig is if you are purchasing her and she doesn't come pre-plucked, yes, you would have to put a little bit of elbow grease into plucking that wig out, you know? But again, I didn't pluck too much. I didn't pluck a lot. I didn't overly pluck this wig. So just take out a couple of strands and you'll be good to go. She had minimal shedding, but she did tangle up. So make sure y'all get y'all a nice cute little wig brush or a little wide tooth comb. Overall, this wig is beautiful. I'm really glad that I went and got this wig in this color. This color is everything. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank Outre for sending me this unit to review for you guys. So if you are thinking about picking her up, this is what her price is below. Of course, every retailer is different, so her price may vary, y'all. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.